A laptop. Move closer. Airplane mode. To disable airplane mode, use the following key combination. Key with signal strength icon. FN key. FN. Signal strength icon. Airplane mode disabled. Wi-Fi connection successful. Wi-Fi OK. Next are some other common errors. Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi icon has disappeared. Start. Device Manager. Network adapters. There is an arrow on the Wi-Fi icon indicating it is disabled. Enable device. Wi-Fi has been enabled. Close. The Wi-Fi icon has reappeared. The Wi-Fi icon disappears in another case as follows. Search. nkpa dot cpl nkpa cpl nkpa cpl. The Wi-Fi icon is gray because it is disabled. Enable. Successful. Close. The icon is white because it is off. On. The above are some common errors and how to fix them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.